All right, you guys, my Chewy brown sugar maple cookies are one of my favorite fall cookies. I make them every year. It's such a delicious cookie. So you want to start with the cookie dough. The secret of the cookie dough is a little bit of apple butter. The apple butter makes the cookies chewy and just perfect. And of course, that gives a really great apple flavor. So mix everything together, stir in some chocolate chips. You could also do pecans, but I love chocolate chips. Then you just bake them up in the oven until the edges are just crisp, but the centers are super gooey. And then I do my maple glaze on top. The maple glaze, you guys, makes these cookies extra over the top good.